Admin users, right-click on the field label of a choice field and select Configure Choices. You can restore previously used choices. Remove existing choices. Or, create brand new items. The order in which these appear can also be adjusted. Note, in this example, the choices we are configuring for this subcategory field will display when the category field is inquiry selected, because subcategory is set to be dependent on the category field. To update the different scenarios, you can change the category choice, and repeat the previous steps. Or, instead you can configure dictionary of the subcategory field. In the choices related list, all choices across all dependent values can be viewed. The same changes can be made in this area. Be aware that if you've removed an option that would have been saved to existing records, these no longer available choices will display in blue, in the list view. To avoid issues with reporting and other dependencies, existing records should have a replacement option selected.